The name of the chapter is Climate. Have you ever wondered why some countries are hot and the other cold at the same time? This is because of different climatic conditions at different places. Places near the equator tend to be hot and humid than those which are away from the equator. There are many other factors that control the climatic conditions. You must have heard people using weather and climate interchangeably, but it is important to know that these two are two different concepts. We get weather information through newspapers, radio, and TV. Weather is about day to day changes in the atmosphere. It depends on hour to hour changes in temperature, air pressure, rainfall, and sunshine. For example, weather may be hot or cold, sunny or cloudy, windy or calm. You must have noticed that when it is continuously hot for several days, you do not need any warm clothing. You also like to eat or drink cold things. In contrast to cold days when you like to eat something hot and wear woolen clothes. The climate is an average atmospheric condition of an area over a long period of time. India experiences different climate round the year. This climatic change is marked by four major seasons, which are cold weather season, winter, November to February; hot weather season, summer, March to May or June; southwest monsoon season, rainy, June to September; season of retreating monsoon, autumn, October and November. The winter season. The winter season starts roughly in the month of November and continues up to the month of February. During the winter season, the days are shorter and the nights are longer. The coastal areas are comparatively warm even in these months. There is heavy snowfall in the Himalayan mountain ranges. January is the coldest month of the season. During the winter season, the temperature generally remains low. In the sandy regions on western Rajasthan, it is cold at night during winter because bare soil cools more quickly than soil with vegetation cover. The summer season. During the summer season, the general weather remains hot and dry almost throughout the country. We experience summer season in the month of March, April and May or June. At this time, the sun is overhead and it is a period of increasing temperature. During the summer season, hot and dry winds called Lu blow in the northwestern part of India. Dust storms are common in this part of India. People visit hill stations to experience cool and pleasant weather. The coastal areas are less hot due to the influence of cool winds coming from the sea. In the desert region, it is extremely hot and the weather is unbearable. Some parts of India, like Assam, get heavy rainfall during the summer season. The rainy season. The rainy season starts immediately after the summer season. There is heavy rainfall in some parts of India even in the month of June. This is due to the influence of the monsoon winds which blow from sea to land. They bring dark clouds and thus give heavy rainfall. There are two branches of the monsoon winds, the Arabian Sea branch, the Bay of Bengal branch. The Malabar coast is the first area to get rainfall from the monsoon winds. By the middle of July, there is rainfall in almost every part of India. The rainy season lasts from the middle of June to October. The western coast of India gets more rainfall than the eastern coast. Mawsynram in Meghalaya gets the maximum rainfall. It is also famous as the wettest place of the world. Rajasthan and the run of Kutch in Gujarat gets very little rainfall. Season of retreating monsoon or autumn. From October to November, southwest monsoon winds move back from the mainland of India. This is the season of the retreating monsoon. The southern part of India, particularly Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, receive rainfall in this season. The climate of India has broadly been described as monsoon type. Monsoon is taken from the Arabic word mawsim, which means seasonal reversal of the winds. Due to India's location in the tropical region, most of the rain is brought by monsoon winds. Agriculture in India is dependent on rains. Good monsoon means adequate rain and a bountiful crop. The climate of a place is affected by its location, altitude, distance from the sea, and relief. Therefore, we experience regional differences in the climate of India. Jaisalmer and Bikaner in Rajasthan are very hot, while Dras and Kargil in Jammu and Kashmir are freezing cold. Coastal places like Mumbai and Kolkata experience moderate climate. They are neither too hot nor too cold. Being on the coast, these places are very humid. Mawsynram in Meghalaya receives the world's highest rainfall, whereas on the other hand, it might not rain at all in the Jaisalmer in Rajasthan in a particular year.